To create a professional gradient button in Canva, start by changing your canvas background color. Then, go to the Elements section and add a square shape. Position and center the shape on your canvas. Then stretch it to form a longer button shape. Click on the color picker and navigate to the Gradient tab. Choose a light shade for the top and a darker shade for the bottom to create a smooth gradient. Next, round the corners of your button. Add a white border using the stroke option to make the button stand out. Now add your text and customize text style. Change the text color to white for contrast and center it on the button. Finally, apply the lift effect from the Effects menu to give the text more dimension.